ensure that you avoid the aggravating factors, avoid the activities that bring it on. The other thing is that you need to take painkillers if you need to. It's important to ensure that you give the soft tissues rest and also you give yourself rest. And the other I would say, is the fact that you've got to make sure that you correct your posture and being very aware of the fact that this is a major contributing factor to your pain. I would advise you seek medical advice when there has been a significant injury, such as fall during sport, injury during contact sports, and also when there's lots of external signs such as bruising and swelling, which will be in keeping with a more significant injury. In addition to that, when you are generally feeling unwell, or you have given the symptoms a few weeks and instead of gradual improvement, your symptoms are deteriorating. In those situations, I'd advise that you definitely seek some medical advice without too much delay.